But I don't see the cat.
You don't get that close to it.
Oh, you don't?
Back up in your chair.
I still don't see the cat.
That's because you gotta do this.
Oh, okay, now I see. Thank you. You're going to have a lot of the rug by itself. Because I couldn't find the cat. All I got was rug. I'm getting his head.
I'll take your computer.
No, don't take my computer.
So it's easier to move.
I'm getting him. I got his head right there.
Let me take your computer.
No, no. Now I'm getting in almost his whole body, except for part of his ear.
You should try to get his head. Just his head.
Just his head? Okay, wait just a minute. Alright, now wait a minute. I'm a little too far up. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. God, that's hard to do, Philip. I'm not a good camera person.
Jeff Gordon Chevrolet, Marcus Ambrose has made
Now say your name.
trips down pit road and
Say my name is Nancy.
My name is Nancy.
yeah, I guess when I look at the drivers involved in this wreck, we
And I'm
had 10
filming my
different
cat.
winners here.
And I'm filming my cat while he's eating his meow mix.
We had someone new win a race this year. To me, when I look at drivers involved, this opens a door to get our 11th winner because